for those who to this country, Madam Speaker. And therefore, when people hop from one state to another in the United States, castigating the country that they purportedly served with dedication, it does not serve our interests at all, Madam Speaker. Therefore, for those who are geared towards improving our nation, come back to this country, sit down with us, we will show you two things: either how to protest decently, or to sit you down to tell you how to move a country under the broad-based government, Madam Speaker. And therefore, I thank you.
Honorable members, a member has risen in his place under Standing Order 95 for the mover to be called to reply. So I will put the question that the mover be called to reply. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Mover.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to reply and thank all the members for the invaluable contributions on this bill. And as I said, towards the beginning of next week, we will be going to Committee of the Whole House as we await amendments that members may propose. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to reply.
Honorable members, I therefore put the question that the Air Passenger Service Charge Amendment Bill, National Assembly Bill number 35 of 2025, be read a second time. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as are of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Next order.
A bill for an act of Parliament to amend the Air Passenger Service Charge Act and for connected purposes. Order number 12, Committee of the Whole House.
Thank you, honorable members. We are in the Committee of the Whole House, and we are considering the Election Offences Amendment number 2 bill, Senate Bill number 28 of 2024.
Clause 2.
I propose the question that Clause 2 be part of the bill. Is there mover? Majority Leader?
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that Clause 2 be amended as is provided for on the order paper. Honorable Speaker, the justification for this, Honorable Speaker, is that Section 6H provides for the failure by a member of IB